they were trying to fix it earlier.
Did you get it, Tom?
Yeah. The whole side of the street's out.
Yeah, dude, it's doing even more damage.